Hello everybody. I'm back with another audit on Richard Yu. Full course, how to build and sell digital products with AI step by step. Okay. So Richard I've audited him once before, and it's basically the same thing as last time. The app takes 10 minutes. The customers take a timeline he never gives you. The gap is the whole grade. So let's go a little farther. So basically, this one gets a D. No surprise. He says makes 500,000 a month selling digital products just like the one he's going to show you. It's not from the apps like this one. His own opening tells you where the money is. Okay, so let's give a little. Let's run it a little bit and see what's going on here.
This. I just told AI what I wanted, and it's going to build me an entire app right now live. While you watch, there's no code, no developer, no engineers, I don't have any technical skills. And in a few minutes, this is going to turn into something that I can charge people every single month. In fact, in the last 12 months, I have consistently made over 500,000 per month selling digital products just like this one I'm about to show you. It's what got me featured in New York Times Square. It's got me invited to be a keynote speaker at the largest.
I don't understand what these people are trying to look at, but he's basically what gets you anywhere is you're the product. So the kill. This is what it is. Hang on. So in minute one, 500,000 per month selling a digital product, just so like the one I'm about to show you. Okay, I already read that, didn't I? Okay. Minute three, his own words. The drop shipping guy, the trading guy. They're all real businesses in this course in their bio. Teaching the thing is the business. Yeah. So that's where he makes his money. He teaches you guys how to waste your money and lose money. No, look at this video. First link, his digital product masterclass. The second and third links, base 44 and Wix affiliate links. A $997 course bonus if you sign up through his link. Come on, people. Don't waste your money on this guy. If you do, then whatever. The missing numbers, $5 into 10,000 a month business. Say it with me. By when? He never tells you anything like that, ever. Not one word. 43 minutes and 48 seconds into the video, no timeline for getting your first paying customer, not one. Okay? The math he shows, 100 customers times 30 is 3,000 a month. The path to those 100 customers post is 1 to 3 videos a day on a brand new account, and wait, no date, no range, nothing. I've had this channel and I created other channels and I posted videos and I tried to sell products just like everybody else. Not going to say I'm not doing that, but I was more realistic on what I was giving them. I was giving them an outcome right away, not an outcome that, basically I was selling digital products for legal stuff, and it did well and it's still doing okay, but it isn't making anywhere near the money he's claiming. And I produce 1 to 2 videos a day. No, 1 video a day, because the YouTube algorithm bites me if I start cranking them out. So 1 video a day on a different subject, and it's been taking now almost 4 months to where it's actually started getting some money. All right, so let's go a little farther into it here. Churn gets 1 sentence. Some people will cancel. Yeah, they cancel a lot. That's the entire risk section on the customer subscription app. Consumers app bleeds subscribers monthly. You're not stacking 100 customers. You're refilling the leaky bucket. Yeah, I mean, my stuff, I don't have no subscription. You either want to buy the digital product or you don't. I don't try and get monthly subscriptions. That's not what I do. It's you strictly buy it and then we're done. Okay? Don't go to Google. Yeah, he says in version of it 4 times. Both affiliate links are steered to annual plans. He gets paid on your 12-month commitment before you've made your own dollar. Yep. So he gets paid up front and you have to wait. Proof of the by people numbers. Okay, young man is 50,000 to 70,000 in pure profit monthly. Spoken, no dashboard, Lilia, $20,000 in digital product sales in the first few months. Spoken, no dashboard. The follow counts are on screen. The money, it never is. He just basically shows you, he doesn't tell you that they ain't making any money. Okay? So the 120,000 straw man, he compares a template fitness app to a customer 3-month engineering to build. Nobody quoting 120 was building this. The saving are affiliated against a purchase no beginner was ever going to make. Okay, yeah, you're not going to. 100,000 views and 100,000 potential buyers. No. Views are not buyers in any way, shape, or form. They're not. This video has 73,000 views. Ask him how many bought a $47 a month app off of it. Not one. Okay, so the build does take 10 minutes. That's the easy part. AI can build anything right away. You guys know that. That's not a surprise. Okay, on camera. By the end of this video, you will have built one of these yourself. It's easy to do. It's not hard. In the description, after 18 blank lines, results are not typical and are not guarantees of success. You're going to lose. It's going to take a long time. You're not going to make it right away. When the video and the fine print disagree, the fine print is the honest one. Yep. So the fine print on this is, yes, you can make the app. Yes, you can try and make videos every day to promote it. But again, just because somebody watches your video doesn't mean they buy your app. And then you've got to think about the amount of customers you churn during that time frame. Okay? So let me ask you this, guys, and I ask again because I'm still trying to find somebody that's done something from him and made money within a realistic time frame. And why did you spend the money? Okay? So would you pay $47 a month for a fitness app? AI built it in 10 minutes. Tell me below, has anybody done that, and did it make you money? And how long, be honest, did it take? Because if you say it took you 30 days, you're full of shit. It took you longer than that. Unless you paid a crazy amount of money for meta ads or something to promote it, then you have to be honest with that as well. Again, Richard, look at, it's the second time I've audited him. Same guy, same grade. The pattern hasn't changed. The free video is the top of the funnel, and the funnel is the business. That's all it is. And I get it. If you're going to do that, that's fine. But have realistic expectations and tell your viewers what they can expect, what they should be able to anticipate. Not just sign and buy my program and I'll make you money. No, Richard, you're just another salesman, a scam artist, basically just stealing people's money and giving them crap. Your courses are probably shit, and they're probably created by AI. So people, really don't go down this road with this guy again. It's a lost leader. It's a waste of money. You're the product. The idea is there, but it's just unrealistic on your time frame. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later.